Yo, what's up, guys? Sorry about that. I just realized in the first one it was a bunch of white noise. I listened to that and I thought that I had the sound muted on the stream, but it was playing. So my bad about that. And I also saw that there were chat messages. I had the chat screen up, but I could not see the messages until after I stopped it. Yo, but shout out to everyone who watched the first one. This is round two. We're still working on the same stuff. And I am trying to be locked in, so I'm not going to be as engaged with the chat. This is going to be more of like a passive work with me. I always say that, but y'all know I always end up chatting anyway as it goes. Today I'm building the settings page for a project that I'm working on. So we're doing some configurations and such over there using ChatGPT to help productivity and workflow. So thank y'all for joining me. Pull up whatever you're working on, whatever you're studying. I got some lo-fi playing in the background, and we are using the Pomodoro technique with this gentleman here. I'm gonna start it over. Shout out to Sean's study. This is one of my favorite ones. Like, the music goes cool, and I love how he has Shanghai in the background. I play this to keep track of when I should take a break and stuff to help me reset my mind. So we're about to get started here, and we're gonna do 50 minutes on, 10 minutes off. So thank you everybody who's joining. Again, I'm trying to not be distracted too much by the chat. I always say that, but I can't help but hang out with the guys who do pop in here, man. Shout out to y'all for joining me. Let's get into it, man. 3, 2, 1, go. 50 minutes. Every once in a while, I'm gonna pop this up and look at it. I wish one of these days, very soon, I just ordered new equipment, right? So I'm gonna have a better camera, and I'm gonna be able to like have my own timer on the screen, so I don't have to pull up other people's stuff. But yeah, instead, every once in a while, I'm gonna take a look at the timer to see where we're at. Hope the sound and everything like that is good. But again, thank you guys for joining me. We are coding. We're using ChatGPT to increase our workflow and productivity. And I'm building out this profile settings page for a project that I'm working on. Details need to change general well format instead of Don't mind me also mumbling to myself. I read out loud and I think out loud all the time. Hopefully that's not distracting. Shouldn't say we icon. I already have those. Wait, I think that uses the use. Chakra UI supports the use of icons online. Text content use Chakra UI built in icons or any other icons. Icon library. I could have sworn that we used that for the set. Hold on a second. Yo, what up, bro? We're live. I don't know how long ago you said that, bro. I was locked in. Now the question is that Ivan or John? Using my assistant here, GPT, to help work faster. In the sidebar nav structure, icon property, each item. Icons, check our UI icons library or use custom SDGs. Profile, password, general, team. Settings page. Okay. I definitely already installed that. There we go. Sweet. Alright, so now that we have that, I need to also make that darker, right? Where was the color I'm supposed to use? Is it in here? Provide an exit strategy. There was another page that I was supposed to look at. Include a where was that? That's everything there. What was that other page, bro? Is it in here? right now. Alright. What was I doing? Oh yeah, there was a, for the profile page, I think we had a it was for the settings. So where was that picture of the damn, I think it was in Notion. It was in here, right? There it is. All right. So we're gonna make it similar to this. Workspace at the top. Personnel at the bottom. Okay. Dribble.com has that. Workspace to let you know that it's a workspace. Alright. Let me see if I can screenshot this. Now the tricky part here is that it has to be for if you're an admin, if you're a tenant admin, you see workspace. If you're a personnel, you don't. Okay. Right. Which is fine here. Okay, let's get that added in here too. 25 minutes till the first break. Alright, and we are doing that, right? Alright, where we're trying to add in workspace for admins. For tenant admin, we need to see workspace similar to this for personnel. Right? Because then in theory, wait a minute, let's look back at that screenshot. Workspace has general, members, connected app, and billing. And over here, so basically general and team members, where personnel is gonna just have profile, and that'll be at the bottom, the other will be at the top. That might be switched around though. So yeah, personnel above profile, personnel above profile, while general and team members will have workspace above it and only be visible to oh. Wait a minute. Yeah, Monday. What was Monday? The 11th, right? Monday was the 11th, right? Had to respond to a yo, what up, bro? My bad. I was responding to text messages. Oh man, I think my camera went out. Hold up. Oh no, it's good. Is it? Oh no, it's okay. Yeah, we're good. Man, I'm freelancing. Well, not this ain't freelancing. This is working for my startup that I work for, building a settings page and stuff like that. Figured I would go live, do another code and chill. It's been a minute, and I never do it this early, by the way, too. I'm gonna probably be working for a minute, so I'm doing the Pomodoro technique. I'm probably gonna be okay. We got 16 minutes left, even though probably 10 of those minutes I was just now catching up with text messages and stuff. But yeah, man, we grinding still. Yup. Talking to my team right now, just about updating them on the progress of everything. I gotta send them this real quick. All right. Okay, don't need this. for now. Clock out. 12 minutes. Screenshot and conditionally show the menu items along with Shopee ID. Adjust your sidebar logic to come conditional rendering based on the user's conditionally. We use Shopee components made first. Yeah, we have that. Let's refactor the settings page to include it. Import other components and hooks. Let's make sure that's correct. What you trying to do, buddy?
Another thing got changed. Look, it's supposed to make a long pose, but there's a short one. Look, something got jammed. Something got jammed inside. So
It's not working.
yeah, so we're trying to pick it out. Hang on. I'm not playing. I could just try to.
So this thing's supposed to pop open?
I got this hammer in case there's no other way to smash it.
You don't want to break it, then it'll never work again.
So this already is broken.
There might be a way to fix it. Does it need a battery?
I think this is on a battery. Hang on. Oh.
That might be the problem. You need a smaller screwdriver, very, very small.
Oh, I don't think
Yeah, I can see the messages now, bro. What'd you say? For what, on mute my mic? Okay. You still on the call? Oh, okay. Yeah, I can talk now. Yeah, bro. Let's shoot. We should set up a meeting between the three of us to talk further about that, because I definitely need to get Digital Builders 757 website right, and that idea of a job board is fitting right into what I was planning on doing in the long run anyway. And that would be something dope that we could all put on our portfolios as well, and on our LinkedIn pages and stuff like that. So I'll definitely chat with you guys about that soon. I'm just now looking at the Discord. Streaming is showing what I'm doing and how I'm getting clients share tools, and I want to be transparent about the first 2D projects. You have to do it for free. Right, exactly. If you want, yeah, take it outside, smash it up. Go ahead. Just be careful. Put on a shirt and some protective gear, and stay right in front of our house. Or out back, yeah.
I'll put on a very, very tough shirt and I'll put on my gas mask.
So we have 1 minute and 50 seconds before the first break. Have a lot to do, so I'm probably gonna be running this stream until for 3 more hours, I'm thinking, because we have a lot to do. I'm tempted to push through this break, but if I do that, I'm gonna get burnt out. So I'm trying to stick to the Pomodoro technique. But before we dip, let's get this incorporated. It looks right. Let's test this out real quick before we go. This was for the settings page component. Doesn't look right, actually. I don't know. Let's just try it, see what happens. No errors. Gotta relog in. Might be some errors. I might just need to relog. Okay, he started the break timer, so I'm gonna pause this because I'm not taking a break yet. Let's travel back in time. Give ourselves 10 more minutes, actually, because I was texting for a little bit there anyway. Yeah, we'll start it here. Sometimes you gotta go overtime. Oh, cool. Nice. Yeah, man. I'll be here too. Got a lot to do. I'm gonna get all of this stuff done. I'm determined today. And yeah, if Carlos pops up, maybe we could set something up and talk about it. Missing or inefficient permissions. Insufficient. That can't be right. Let me see. Hold on a second. Might need to restart. I think I just need to restart everything, honestly. Let's try that. Restart our development server. Okay, it's working now. I think. But it's working over here. Alright, well, I'll just check it over here then. Alright, now let's put in a new page. Compile. Workspace name, general. No. General. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is not right. Gotta go back to this. Settings. Maybe it can't. Let's go to dribble.com. Okay, you can't. Dribble.com. literally just want to see the settings page. I'm so confused as to why this is not working all of a sudden. We haven't even changed anything. Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, we were just talking about what we were talking about in Discord. And basically, I was trying to see if there's any synergy between the idea that you have on showing jobs in a job board and the Digital Builders 757 site. This is the site here, and it's already an open source repo on GitHub. If you guys want, send me your email and I'll link you to this repo so that if y'all are interested in working on that. He was already here. I didn't even know. But yeah, here's the repos in here. Here's the repo here. It's already open source. I'll link it in the chat. Let me see. Wait, I could just do it this way, right? Here's the repo. Let me know if there's anything stopping you guys from cloning this repo. That's the thing. That's to be determined, bro. It's really up to us. I have a couple images that I might want to use, but it's completely up for change, and all of them kind of look like this. They're all AI generated stuff for the digital builders. And you know, that might be a little too spooky for like the general public. So, but the idea is definitely to get clients for marketing, app ideas, social media, web design, whatever we can, and then dish out the jobs to the members of our community. How we go about that, it's whatever. But currently, and I would, if possible, I would like to keep the project with a React front end and a Firebase back end. That's what it currently is. But what you'll see after you clone the repo, you'll see that after you click join now, all of this here is set up through Firebase, right? And after you sign in, it's just a chat. This can get completely erased or moved to a separate separate place, and this can get completely erased, of course. I'll pick like maybe if you want to do that, then sure. And shoot, I'll let either both of you guys can be like the main admins approving the pull requests for this if you want. I'm sure there's a way that I could set that up. But yeah, that's it so far. And the reason why this is with this setup is because of the startup that I'm working for right now is using that exact same tech stack. So I'm really familiar with it, and I created this website in January, put it to that tech stack because I wanted to prepare myself to work on this project. That's why it's with this, that's why there's no design right now, and I just ended up using the school.com. So I definitely want to link this to the school.com and the Discord, of course, link that to here. And Yeah. But other than that, man, we could really whatever we want. You know? Okay. I think I do need to I'm gonna actually take the break this time because I'm facing an error that, you know, sometimes you gotta just take a walk to clear it out. So when this timer is up, we got 9 minutes. I'm gonna come back in 9 minutes. Okay, cool. Yeah, and then the thing about that, bro, Digital Builders is an actual company. I have an LLC for it. We have a Google business profile. I even get calls on this thing. Look, if you were to search Digital Builders 757, we even have an office building that we could use if you guys were here in Virginia. But yeah, here it is. I'm gonna change this. Like I said, I have a couple images here that we might want to switch up, because this might not be cool for, like, you know, the masses or whatever. But this is the original, like, of course there's that one, this one, and the idea is that we are like digital builders who can basically build anything for people, you know, like a group of builders that can do software, marketing, pretty much everything. So we're able to take on clients like that and then outsource the work amongst ourselves. So we'll have to like gatekeep a little bit and make sure that the people taking on the jobs can actually accomplish it, you know. But yeah, this is just concept art, and I was just talking to ChatGPT, and this is what Dolly came up with, and I like it. But I know that, like, that might look a little spooky to some people, but so far I've gotten positive reception from it, and people are calling. But they're calling based off of finding this off of Google Digital. So yeah, we've got a LinkedIn. So if you guys want to, like, give yourself a title, join the company on LinkedIn, like, we could do it. We could do all of that. Digital Builders 757. Here's the company. We've got 126 followers on LinkedIn. So you can put that you're a web designer for this if you want, you know, and we can cook. I'll add you guys as an admin to this. You know, this has been on my to-do list for a minute. I just been so slammed that I haven't been able to get to it. But yeah, I really did made this for you guys. I made this for our community. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm down, man. We could start it here with us three as the main admin. You know, I really just been waiting for the right person to kind of like steer the ship on this one. But yeah, let me do the break. I'm gonna go get up for a little bit, get the blood flowing. I got 6 minutes left. I'll be right back in like 6 minutes. All right. Dang, I'm mad we up to 6 people and I'm about to take a break. It was just me for a minute. So, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh shit, what up, Ethan? Alright, I'll be back. Coffee refill. No more coffee. I ain't about to do that again. Go make some
I got a nice breakfast. We're going to Taco. Good day. This has to be the best day of my life.
Yeah, it's still good. Whoa. My bad, y'all. I'm a little late. I had to make some food for the gang. Let me run it back. So we're starting at 50 minutes again. But yeah, where were we? Yeah, community-based project. And I really was thinking that we could all use this because it is a company and we'll all be working. We'll all be working on it. We'll all be sharing, projects together that come through. As I get more, I've been talking to more companies about doing their social media marketing. If you guys check out that video that I posted in the school earlier today, little Canva stuff, there's so many opportunities for us to scoop up little stuff like that. And then hopefully as it gets bigger, as we reach more people, we can get like even bigger projects and stuff like that out of it. But regardless, it'll be a nice reference on the LinkedIn, on the portfolio, right? We could all share that on our portfolios that we contributed to this project. Have it turn out really dope. And if we need to take off the user authentication, that's fine, or we could leave it up there because it's a very cool way to get a email list, right? So we could even see in the back end so far, if you go to Firebase console here and I switch to the main one, yeah, when I get you guys emails, I'll add you in here. I think it's this one. Yeah, here it is, the digital builders, right? And then you go to right now the only authentication is Gmail, but we could add phone number, Facebook, GitHub, whatever we want to add for people to be able to sign in, we can. And look at how many people signed up for this thing already. It's a lot of people, bro. All of these people signed up. 40, is that 42? 42, we got 42 emails in here that I would send an email to everybody when it actually is working. You know what I mean? And let them know like, yo, come back to our website. It's not a bad, chat. This looks cool from the front, where coding meets creativity and community thrives. This was the initial GPT art that I had for it. And then when you get in here, y'all know when you get in here, it's like, wait a minute, what is this? I wonder how many people had that experience of signing in and being like, yo, what? Later. Thanks, bro. Thanks, man. Yeah, dude. Hey, I'm technically new myself. So I'm glad that I can help us out. You know what I mean? Trying to find a place for the chat. Let's just put this over here for now, I guess. But yeah, put myself back over here. Oh, cool. Yeah, man. So it's a lot of work to be done, as you can see. But there's a repo. Clone it and let's get busy, man. Submit your pull requests. Maybe I need to make a guide. If you guys don't know how to because we don't want everybody to be able to submit to the main branch, right? Because that could get unorganized. We would want people creating separate branches. Title it by what feature you're introducing, whether you're trying to redesign the front page or something like that. And then that way whichever one of us becomes like the main admin can then review it, see how we feel about this edition, and then introduce it. And if we don't like it, we can always revert back to the previous design, you know. But we definitely want to have, I would say we should have like maybe only the builders can log in, and then in that, or what if we have like a client side for people who need work done, and then we have like a builder side for the people trying to do the work, right? For us, for our school members and our Discord members. Something like that needs to happen, I think, right? And then we can have a portfolio where people can view all of our portfolios. All of this is just freestyling, you know. Cool, man, cool. This is gonna be my first time leading an open source project, but hey, man, you might be the right guy to take charge here of this, man. Like, you're the first person raising your hand between you two, you know what I mean? And then got a meeting to go to. Okay, cool. We'll catch you later, Ether. Yeah, I'm down, bro. I'm just thankful to have you guys here to help me out with this, for real. And I hope that like this can become something that can help us all, you know? I used the tutorial. It's React based and actually Firestore database. So every message here is actually a document in the Firestore database. You can see it right here in our collection. So we're gonna need to make another collection probably with users as well, connecting all of the people here who are authenticated with their user ID. Like, you know, each user is gonna be a document, a JavaScript object, and then have them all over here for like various other shit we'll need. But the chat, every time someone enters a chat, there's a function that creates it as a document here in the database. I got you, say less. My man Net Ninja. Maybe it'll even be in my history, because I definitely could not do that straight up like off the top of my head. Redux. It was Net Ninja React. Was it Chat app? It was either him or Fire. Here it is. Look, I built the chat app in 7 minutes with Firebase. This is literally
we have some
it.
bigger problems to address with
Oh,
this
it was
app.
Fire
First of all,
ship.
when we enter a chat
I thought it was
message,
Net
it doesn't
Ninja.
automatically scroll to the bottom, which is kind of annoying. The way we can
was
fix
Fire
that
ship.
is by adding an empty div below our list of chat messages.
I didn't even finish
We can
it,
then
so
reference
that
to
might be
database.
why the
We don't
profile
have a Fire
pictures aren't showing up
backend.
properly.
The
and
React
stuff.
app will update with the most recent messages on the front end.
Not
It's
only
very
that,
easy to
this thing
implement,
is
and by
3
the
years
end of this
ago. But here, man, yeah, you can literally duplicate that. And plus, the code is open source as well.
video,
Yeah, bro, no
you'll have a
problem.
great starting point for building really any type of
Yeah, once I
real-time
saw this
application.
title, I built a chat app in 7 minutes with React and Firebase.
Let's go ahead and get
Especially
started.
since I was waiting for my job to start, where I'm using React and Firebase. I was like, let me
Open
go
up the
ahead
terminal,
and
then I'll
run
set a
through
timer
this.
for set in the header. First, we'll import the Firebase SDK along
So
with
yeah,
Fire
all of this
address and other
is
providers. Then we
basically
pass it.
part of our code. And then I started messing around with the to-do list here. And this is when I was first coming up with the idea of the digital builders. I was like, what if I was gonna turn it into a game, right? Where it was gonna start at like each person would be the character. And the point was to try and help people get the proper like life system going to help you become like a remote worker, because I know you have to self-manage yourself, and sometimes it's really hard to do that when you're being your own boss. So it was going to be a habit tracking app where it would start off at level 0 and then get up to level 7, and every time you got a streak each day, you would have to, it would be like honor based system or whatever. Like every day you would have to come here and click that you actually did this thing, And then once you got to level 10, meaning that you did this 10 days in a row, it would unlock the next thing. And it was all easy stuff, like sleep 8 hours, write anything, meditate / pray, exercise, cold shower, and work on a goal. And because I was, and I still am, a big believer that if you do these 7 things every day, everything else in your life will be easier. And so with the digital builders, I wanted us to, before this was even a thing, I was thinking like, man, it would be cool to like help people to like develop those habits. Because if you do something 10 days in a row, it pretty much becomes autopilot habit type of thing. But this doesn't work either. If you click these, they go away. And if you so I never finished coding that, but that's why that's there basically, because that was like a half idea that I never finished. So we can literally delete that entire component. It's not needed, or like save it for, I don't know, later or something to mess with it later. Probably gonna delete. I think we should just delete that. It looks a little crazy being up here. But I've only left it there right now because there's not much else to the website. Like you can't, there's no way to even click back home once you're here. There really isn't even a home page. So this thing is up for the complete remixing from here. Okay, cool. Word, man. Yeah, let's do it, bro. And yeah, no problem, man. Glad I could help you out. Yep. So, back to this. I'm about to start another 50-minute timer. Right. Yeah. And that would be on the digital builder side. If we go that route of separating the clients from the builders, I think that maybe like there should be a back end, or like we should have a builders tab for us to log in, because I don't think that the clients should necessarily need to log in to see what we offer. Like maybe from the front page, just go ahead and show like what we do, what the page, who are the builders, what the page is even about, and then have like a email, a link to an email, or for them to submit gigs or something like that, you know, request work maybe, and then we can scoop it up from there. I think I would probably be the best person to like make the client call or email to them, and then like find the proper team of people to work on whatever it is that these people want. Something like that, right? Yeah, but I'm not even gonna micromanage it, man. I'm gonna try and just like whatever you guys decide as the best thing to do. Raise your hand if you are Thorfinn on Discord, by the way. I have a feeling who this is, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm just joking. I know who it is, but it's just funny that you have 2 different names. But I'm gonna add your email. Do I need to add your email here somewhere? Repository, maybe as a contributor, right? Yeah, I knew that was you, bro. I'm just joking. Send me your email as well, Carlos. I'll add both of you guys as contributors on the Discord. I mean, GitHub repo. I go to settings, right? you have to go on settings, right? But where? Security, maybe? Actions? No. Bro, where?
Remind me, so I don't have it available.
Wait, what is
But I
this?
have a few follow-ups of my own, so I'll do follow-ups probably the first part of the day when I'm working.
Oh, that was all my stuff earlier.
I got quite a bit at 1, 2, 3, 4 playbooks to work on tomorrow. I haven't seen you in the morning.
So, your repositories. Wait, not this one. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I know what the issue is. I created this from my other GitHub account. That's why I can't find it. This account here is already a contributor. This isn't the main one. I need to sign into my this account here is the one that created it. That's what the problem is. Let me do that from I think my phone is actually logged into this one. I was going crazy, like, hold on. That's my work GitHub, and that's my personal one. Okay, here we go. So for digital builders, contributors, yeah, it's right here under settings. So just DM me your email to add Carlos. I'll toss you in there right now too. Copy text. There we go. Add people. Okay, that's one. Okay, sweet. Just sent both of you guys requests there. Now I'm gonna switch back to my other account because I'm working. Okay, All right. Love you. All right. Let me respond to the bro real quick. Hey, but before I get so right now I'm building this settings page for the startup that I work for. I'm working on that right now. All of the basically all of the stuff that happens when you click over here. You know, which I never really thought about programming that, you know, like how you have to set up all of the different icons here on the left side. How you have to do like how every single thing in here has different kind of functionality, like what is a drop down, what isn't a drop down, what is going to be only seen by project admins, what is only going to be seen by personnel. Every single thing, there's like so much logic and different stuff within all of the different, you know, project settings. Like this is a whole, you know, month's worth of work probably, like doing every single thing has such a, like, look, there's a drop down right there, and then you, of course, they had to get all the icons for all of this stuff on the left, and you have to see one thing that my project does that this one, I almost said that it doesn't do it, where as you're scrolling, it's highlighting, showing you what you're scrolled on, and then when you click on it, it lets you know that you're stuck on that one. So I'm literally coding all of the functionality of all of this stuff. Yeah, man. And I'm hitting bugs within the like security rules that you have to write from Firebase to make sure that like your admin is an admin, and what can read, what accounts can read, what accounts can write. It's funny, like for a while I couldn't figure out what was going on, what was wrong, and it was because of the case sensitivity. My tenant admin, some parts of the project was lowercased, some parts of the project it was camel cased, and other parts of the project it was uppercase. So that's why I was hitting errors, and I couldn't figure out why some things would work at sometimes, some things it wouldn't work sometimes. So I had to do a Control-Shift-F to find throughout the entire project hundreds of files, all of the different places that I had tenant admin, and make sure that it was all uniform with the security rules as well, and then document that for the rest of the team to let them know, like, okay, this is the way that we're doing tenant admin from here on out. You know, so yeah, it's been a lot, and right now I'm kind of like trying to figure. I'm still in the process of building it, and I'm also not the designer on the project, so I have this thing to go through here where my lead is like went through everything for me and kind of like dropped these little notes in there for me to change. Like this one, include a section header, aka profile, that appears on top of the form fields, which makes sense. Instead of and this is Figma, by the way, this isn't a project, but instead of, see, I was thinking, you know, if someone clicks on the profile, they're gonna know that's the profile, but he's basically saying like drop all of this down and write profile here too as well, like a second time. On the, I don't know if you guys can see my cursor. That's so weird how when you're streaming you can't see the cursor. I wish there was a way to turn that on, but I'm always trying to point at things and then I have to remember, wait, they can't see. Oh, my bad, let me turn it down. That looks like it's a little better. See, I wasn't planning on talking, that's why I had the music, so I when I get back to work, and I'll probably like turn it back up. But yeah, so my the designer that we have basically went through and made little like comments on all of the things that they want me to change. You know, one of the things was they want contrast, more of a contrast between this left sidebar and the right. That was one of the things. When you click team members, I gotta make it, this is what they drew, you know, like make it to where all of the team members profile can be seen here, and then be able to click on that profile, and then like if you're an admin, you're gonna be able to click that profile and then edit all of the people's stuff from there. So this is basically what I'm working on currently. Yeah, and it's not due until Monday, like 1 o'clock. So I got some time. I'm just trying to be ahead of the game now because I also have a lot of other stuff on the to-do list, not even related to this project at all. So I'm planning on spending like at least until like 8 or 9 o'clock tonight on this, using the Pomodoro technique, taking a break so I don't get burnt out, and hopefully I can get all this stuff done today. That would be sick. If not, I still have tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that. So it's not, I'm rushing for myself, because for real it's really mostly due by Monday. I know we're gonna have a meeting and they're gonna want to see the progress that I've done from now till then. Hope you guys don't mind me eating, by the way. I just been looking at this yogurt bowl that I made. All right. Yeah, man, we got blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, banana, yogurt, and honey on top. So I'm about to restart the timer to 50 minutes. I'm also using ChatGPT just to help speed up the process. But first, I need to make sure that like logging in was acting up earlier, which is super frustrating. Yo, what up? What up? It's our website. I'm thinking a darker theme. Like, let's use these colors, if possible. I'm gonna send you these images on Discord. Yeah, at least to start with. We should make it like a room on the builders for the site, right? Matter of fact, let's use this round table room. Here, I'll add you guys to that room. So that we can keep track of everything in there. Is it here? Okay, yeah, the staff room. Everyone else in there is cool. Yeah, we're gonna let me know if you guys can see the staff room, right? I'm gonna upload all of the inspiration, all of the reference files that we're gonna use for that. Add them in here. Then, yep. Let me know if you can see in the Discord. In that staff room in the Discord. And then I'm going to also, I would like us to have a brand style guide similar. I'll drop an example. I could get my friend to make this for us as well. My homie did this for the restaurant that I'm working for. Let me download. I'm gonna download this and then drop it in there too, because just so that we can keep track of everything to all be on the same page with the design, right? Let me why did that open up? Save as, download there. We need to make, where did that save? Wait a minute. See, one of my keys are sticking. That's what's stopping me from logging in, bro. I don't know what key that is, but that's what's messing up my login. I thought it was my code, but I can see it on my cursor. One of my keys are messed up. Wow. That's what was messing up my login earlier. Damn. I knew it wasn't the code, it's my keyboard. That sucks. Or is it my mouse? Everything is so janky, man. I need a whole new setup. Share the images, build some word. Man, I thought I was going crazy. I keep seeing that something is messing up. Alright, I'm gonna save this, there, and then put this here. Here's, okay. Cool. Now, let me remove roles from some of these guys who are like inactive. Actually, I'm not gonna do that. Caleb's cool. All of them are cool. Alright. Yeah, we have a pretty big staff here. It's like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 of us. So if we all, with our powers combined, this will be no problem. Also, don't forget, feel free to add this to your LinkedIn if you want to. It would be Digital Builder 757 on LinkedIn. There's a LinkedIn. We have an Instagram as well with like 1,000 followers. Digital Builders 757 Instagram. Yeah, there it is. Instagram has 975 followers. It's because it was my old Instagram back in the day. I just converted it over. Yeah. Cool. Right? You see the cover art. That's what we're going for. All right. Now I'm going to attempt to fix this settings page. So I'm going to try to lock in here. I'm not going to be looking at the chat as much. I just restarted the timer again. All right, I'm going to try to do 50 minutes of focused work here. Session expired. Okay. Okay, sweet. It was my keyboard this whole time. That had me going crazy. One of the keys were sticking on my keyboard. Wow. Okay. Now. I'm gonna turn the music back up. gotta stop answering text while I'm working. That could be a whole rabbit hole. Where was the color? This is basically. Tenant admin and personal please define the navigation. See, no, that's wrong. That is actually wrong. Wait, is it wrong? General team members profile password. It needs to be separated. Alright. Needs to remain separated. Close, but that's not it. How can I explain that better? Profile, general, and team members need to be at the top. General and team members needs to be at the top with work space as an unclickable option above it. Separated as it already is, but reversed in order. And then work space unclickable with an icon to the left as shown inside of the screenshot. Right? Workspace, general members, and then a line or a space separating it as it already is. Right? And then profile and password under it. And then general as the second unclickable option, kind of like Okay. Let's see if that works. There we go. There we go. Workspace, general, team members, personal profile password. So for personnel, you got profile, password. Find integration. Why do we need to change code at all? What implications? This is when it's time to draft the PR. Where can I save this? Then what was the other thing? The other thing was, what's the other thing, bro? What's the other thing? It was in Slack. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we'll save that for later. And now, where is the colors that he recommended? Is it in the huddle? Wow, 30 minutes left already. Be a person. a little too dark. Yo, what's up, bro? My bad. I was not looking at the chat. I was locked in there for a second. I have a Republic of Gamers computer though. It's a gaming computer. I also have a Mac, an old what year is this? Like a 2012 iMac right here too that I use on the side. I don't really use it for much other than YouTube though, and a second monitor because I paid so much for it back in like 2009. But yeah, I've got like a 2 monitor setup, and then my iMac right here, and iPad down here for note taking and stuff like that too. To-do list. Yup. Happy coding. Every day. Got the Pomodoro technique going, man. I've been working since about 12 o'clock on and off using this dude here in Shanghai. I love the view there, man. That's goals right there. He got the diffuser going. Oh, you probably can't see it. Hold up. He got the diffuser going. Got the city in the background. Got the timer. I'm also up. Literally, as I was talking about upgrading my setup, this is why. That's why I need to upgrade my setup. I don't know if that came through. My setup is extremely janky, bro. If I move too fast on the left hand side, everything shuts off. Because I have this extremely janky USB connector with a bunch of USB imports that I don't know. I found it in my girl's drawer. I don't even know where she got it from, but it has connected to it my microphone, my ring light, my webcam, and my mouse, which should be wireless, but still. And if I make any kind of sudden movements on the left side of my computer, it's a wrap. So yesterday I ordered, my setup was like, all right, fuck you, we out. I went to look out the window like, where is Amazon? Because I ordered a better USB connector, like a real one, because this one looks like it came out of a cereal box. So I ordered a real one of those. I ordered I have a 5D Mark III camera, right? This webcam that I'm using right now, I think it was like $50 on Amazon back in the day, and I can't remember what I got it for, but I got a way better camera that I'm gonna start using. But I had to get I got a tripod for my camera, and I have the cord, the USB to computer cord for the camera. So I'm gonna start streaming with that, and that should up my quality crazy. What else did I get? I got the tripod with the bag, the better USB connector. What else did I get? Oh, I got a battery charger for my camera. Like, I didn't have a battery charger for that for some reason. I haven't even been using that camera in a really long time. Yeah, cause I'm gonna try. Look, I'm gonna show y'all my goal. I'm gonna try to copy this dude, not him, even though that is dope. But I'm trying to catch up with the quality of this guy, and I can just tell that camera's gonna do it. I got a Canon 5D Mark III. That should help me get my stuff right.
I don't know what I'm doing. I feel
Look at
like
that.
sometimes like I don't know if I can do this. You
He
know,
talks with the
that's a real
soothing
feeling. And then some
voice.
days I feel like I'm on top of the world, you know? I'm like,
So
oh,
yeah,
man.
you know, when you're doing stuff, I wasn't planning on being a YouTuber. You know, I was just going with the janky setup with whatever I have. But now that this is where we are, we got a little tiny following. Well, I might as well. That's how I am, man. If I'm doing something, I'm gonna try and do it my best. I can't stay blurry, right? So look, he has the crispy clean. He has like an extra controller where he's like DJing. He has the text. And I also want to add my timer so that I don't have to rely on, you know, timers like this from the outside. So that's what I'm shooting for, man. I ordered the stuff. I'm gonna see how it goes, just to try and like have better quality. Just because that's how I am. If I'm doing something, like, I have to try and at least catch up with the like best that do it. Yeah, man. And I'm like, yo, people, that's where I got the idea of Code and Chill, was from that dude, because I used to watch it. And his is like study with me. He doesn't really talk to the chat much while he's doing it. But if you think about it, man, if we're at the computer all day, right? We live in a content creating economy. That's what I'm telling all of my friends. Like, I'm trying to get everybody to do this and start a YouTube. Like, if you're doing this stuff anyway, right? If we're sitting at the computer anyway, why not press record and just put it out there and just out into the economy, right? And see what happens. Because shoot, I'm inching my way up to being monetized. Like, eventually, maybe by the end of summer, I should be monetized. So it's all about getting paid for being yourself and doing stuff that you're doing anyway. And at the same time, everybody in this room should be a digital builder. So this adds directly to your ability to freelance, to your LinkedIn presence, to your networking presence, you know, and your ability to like attract further clients and stuff. Like, it's all connected. It's all connected together. Like, I started on LinkedIn, pretty much is where I really got. I mean, honestly, I started on Craigslist, probably freelancing first, I should say, but LinkedIn and infiltrating my local community's startup community, which there's a small group of investors, of developers. It's really investors and developers that seem to team up in startup communities, right? Not only just invest, they're the main two pillars, I would say, but then you also have the marketers, you also have the project managers, right? And you also have the like TED Talk people, the people who just speak on stage, and then you also have the nonprofit people, right? All of these business suit type of people, they all have like a clique on LinkedIn in your local community. And I was able to like infiltrate that through LinkedIn and freelancing. And I actually did a startup. I did a crypto startup, which is where I found out about this in the first place. Joined the hackathon. So that right there is where you could get crazy clients, get the ball rolling, and then you get your portfolio, and now it's easier for you to get other clients from there. The monetization is by watch time hours on your ads as they come through. I still got a ways to go I was rolling at first, and it kind of slowed down a bit, which I'm not mad at it because I've kind of anticipated that because I heard about this. YouTube does this, right? When you first create your first couple videos on YouTube, they will blast it all over the place and show it to mad people and get you mad views and mad watch time hours, mad subscribers. Like, everything rolls crazy at first in order to get you excited to jump into the hamster wheel of doing this every day. It's brilliant if you think about it, because shoot, we all talk about how YouTube is gonna help us escape our 9 to 5, but when you think about it, YouTube is like one of the worst 9 to 5s at first, because they make you work for free for so long. But granted, this doesn't feel like work. That's why I'm not mad at it. I enjoy this, and I'm gonna be doing it anyway. Even if I didn't have this bright ass light in my face and this camera on, I would still be sitting here doing it anyway. So I don't look at it as work, but I also think that it's very interesting because I believe they already put ads on my videos as it is now, and I don't get a cut from that. But they make you do that for like 6 months to a year before they monetize you. But my friends at Social Supply, we were able to get monetized in like 10 videos. So it's really all about like, you know, who your watchers are and like in different variables like that. But full transparency, I'll show y'all mine. If we go to earn, I was rolling at first, and I'm still doing all right. I hit the subscriber count, but it's not all about subscribers. You got to get these hours up. So I'm about halfway to 3,000, and once I get 3,000, once this blue line here is at the end, I'll be able to get super chats, and I'll be able to open up a shop to like sell merch, which I was thinking about doing digital builders shirts like this, and coming up with like slogans and shit like that, where I have a couple different like AI generated pictures similar to this on the philosophy of the digital builders, the group I came up with. And then, but that's just for that. You're still not making ad money at this tier. That's the first tier. The second one is here, where it's they throw another 1,000 on your watch hours, and you have to do this all within a year, which don't seem too crazy because I've only been doing this for about a month and a half and I got this far. So I'll probably be monetized depending on, like, I could try and game it and like come up with different ideas and ways to get more watch time, do different better videos to try and like figure out what videos perform the best. And like, I'm not really doing all that. I'm just kind of going natural, like by whatever I actually feel like doing, until my schedule clears up a bit. For now, I'm really just capturing what I'm already doing. And sometimes, like, I'm so glad that my reaction videos do well because I watch YouTube anyway. So if I can watch a YouTube video and just put myself in the corner and throw my little 2 cents every couple, seconds or every couple minutes or whatever, and people will actually watch that and I can get watch time hours off of that, that's why I like to do those, because shit, I'm watching videos anyway. So yeah, man, we're living in the content economy. So you might as well, bro. If you're watching YouTube, if you're coding, you might as well turn it on. You might as well start it, and that's part of like what I'm trying to show people as well. And all my friends who like my friend who plays 2K, I was telling him, I was like, bro, I see you on Xbox. Press record, bro. You never know. You know what I mean? Like, I'm sure to think about it. There's billions of people on this planet. There's gonna be people who fuck with you. You know what I mean? There's gonna be people who don't, of course. Like 90% of the people won't. And that's what I noticed too about when you put out videos, right? It's only 10% of people who watch your videos to the end. So the way that I look at it, sure, my thumbnails and my like title is gonna catch a bunch of people just off of the fact that it's on YouTube. But when they click on it, 90% of people are gonna be like, okay, yeah, whatever, I'm out. You know what I mean? And that's fine. Like, not everybody is gonna vibe with you, but there's a small amount of people. There's 10% of people who, for whatever reason, will vibe with you as a person, watch it to the end, And those are the people who will also most likely join your Discord, will send you a message on Instagram and on LinkedIn and talk to you. And those are like your real friends. The way that I look at it, being a content creator is like you're making friends all around the world that really fuck with you for you as a person and your authentic self, as long as you're not like being fake, you know, or trying to perform like a YouTuber. Like, that's a whole nother thing. I'm just talking about pressing record and being yourself, and just letting the people who don't like you come and go, and letting the people who vibe with you stay. The music is probably too loud, my bad. I had the music loud because I was not planning on talking. Some people like their privacy and don't want to deal with the trolls online, but I get it. Yeah, that's what my homie was saying about 2K. He was like, I don't know if I want to be known for playing 2K. And I was thinking, like, I hear you, bro, but you would only be known to 2K players. I call it a secret. I even told him, I was like, make it a secret channel. Give yourself a different name. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to show your face. Make a code name. Don't show your face, you know? It's just, it's just that's, I think it's so valuable because that's where the world is headed in that direction. And you know how they talk about universal base income, right? Where everybody gets money just for being alive. To me, that's what content creation is. Because you're really just pressing record and recording whatever you're doing. Like, look at what I'm doing right now. I'm working on a project. I literally have to do this to make a living. And at the same time, a goal of inspiring other people to do the same. Also, I'm trying to show people how it's done. I'm also trying to show people who plan on one day doing this for a living what it's going to actually be like, what it's going to feel like. You're just pretty much sitting there, sitting here working, listening to lo-fi most of the time. You know what I mean? Yeah, and no one has to know who you are. That was my plan, was to not even show my name and stuff at all. One thing you do have to watch out for that I found out was that if you put your location into your videos, it will start playing it around like your neighborhood first. So you don't have to add your location to the title. I thought that was like a SEO thing, that they were gonna like use it for something else, but I found out real quick that like people who know me were just randomly seeing my videos, and I was like, damn, you know, I wasn't expecting that one, because I was trying to think like, yo, did I talk about anybody that I know? Like, wait a minute, when I made my first earlier, I was doing some story time stuff, and I said some things that I wouldn't necessarily want people who know me to know. You know what I mean? I was just speaking to like the, you know, the void in my mind, not even expecting that video to get 15K views. And for people who know me like out in the world to be like, yo, I saw your video, bro. I'm like, oh shit, you did? Damn, did I say anything about this guy or about anybody? But that's the only thing I would caution people against, like if you're going a secret route. But man, I'm a huge supporter in content creation now that I'm doing this. It's cool, man. It's fun, and it also motivates me. Like, I sometimes when I'm working without streaming, I find, because I have ADHD anyway, so it's hard as hell for me to sit here and focusing, right? But when I got the light on and I feel like people are watching me, it's like locks me in stronger than it does when I'm by myself and I feel like video games calling me, the couch calling me, the phone texting people calling me. You know what I mean? I'm not going to sit here texting people when I'm supposed to be working with the camera on. I'm going to be working more. It makes me more productive. And at my job, they're like, yo, great job last week. You really performed. So there's a method to the madness and why I do it. Where we at? Okay, it's 5 minutes to a break, man. I feel like playing a little chess, so I'm about to take a little chess break. That was another thing I was thinking about doing. I was gonna make a chess channel because I play chess all the time. I play blitz chess, And maybe after Miami. My bad, reading some chat, some text messages here. That's something that I also need to stop doing while I'm streaming. I'm in so many different group chats and stuff like that. All right. Yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna play a little bit of chess for the next 4 minutes before we hit the next break. I'm rolling though, man. I'm getting so much stuff done. I'm glad too because this is like a very important part of our project. He's gonna take that. Oh no, he isn't. Go this way. Looks like he's gonna, yeah. I figured he was gonna do that. Oh, my queen. He's after that queen, bro. Let's get a W right away off the first try if we can. Usually I need to like warm up. My queen again. Damn, we're losing on time. I gotta hurry up. Take it. Take it. I'm just trying to hurry up for real. I'm gonna take that with this. I'm gonna move that out the way. He's gonna go here probably, right? Now what? That? God, look at that time. No! Yeah, see, this is the warm-up. This is the warm-up. I don't know. We might be able to clutch it out somehow, though. Nah, he's gonna... Is he gonna take it? Yo, I might be able to win this somehow. Oh, no, this game. He got me. No. Alright. That was the warm-up. That was the warm-up. Yo, you wanna, yeah, dude, send me a, how do we do that? You got chess.com? I'll, we could do 3 minutes if you want, or like 5 minutes even. How do I, what would I send, like, oh, yeah, there we go. I didn't know we were are we friends up here? All right. Notice how I had to stop talking. True. I was like, what is that beeping? Alright, so we're supposed to be on a break. That's fine. Excuse me. I can't say what I'm thinking because I'm gonna give you clues on what I'm thinking. Usually I'm like, oh, he's trying to do this. Let me do this. All right. Castle. That's crazy. We both just now castled. On like move. What move is this? 14? 15? Is it Mike? Oh, I thought it was my turn for a second. What did I just lose? Oh, man. Like texting at the same time here. My single friends are talking about girls in the group chat. I'm like, y'all single dudes, man. Many, many moons ago, that was me. I can't partake in that conversation. Right? Playing chess while listening to lo-fi is more of a break than League. You know what's funny though? I deleted League like 2 days ago, and then I did a whole bunch of shit that like I needed to do, and then I downloaded it again. I want to take that, but I'm not. Yeah, bro, I deleted League. Didn't last long. But that day, it felt good, though. I'm not going to lie. Like, and then I just haven't been playing it as much since I downloaded it again. I kind of, like, deleting it gave me the ability to get that little reset in there. And now I'm back playing Shaco, but just not being tilted or even caring at all. I don't know. I just tried to touch screen the chat when you said that. On my computer that is not touch screen. Yeah, man. It feels good to take a break. Yeah, bro. Well, my full-time job, I work for a startup, but it's part-time. It's not full-time work. So I freelance for the rest of the time. I freelance. So yeah, pretty much. It's like it's even. It's like I have, instead of one full-time job, damn, good move. No. Okay. Woo! I thought you got my queen. I thought you had my queen. Okay. We're even. Kind of. I'm losing. But I'm winning on time. But that's a problem. Okay. I'm very close to losing. How can I fix this? Wait a minute. Hold up. Let me go here. We're in damage control. Damn! GG, bro. Run it back. Run it back. Okay. Nice. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I could really see. Okay, you got stuff to do? Word. Good game. Good game, bro. Oh. uh I yeah, man, I could see like wait, I want to do 1 minute. Hold up. Wait. I I could see freelancing snowballing if I'm not careful. Cuz there's so many different like restaurants and stuff like that need help with their social media marketing and their WordPress sites. But I really want to focus on JavaScript, React, Firebase, even coding, just because the profit margin is so much like higher on that end. Even though I do know, okay, sweet, bro, I'll check it out. Even though I do know that there are people like companies that make bank off of marketing and off of WordPress. I have some friends of mine who make a really good living off of marketing and off of WordPress. But I also don't know if I would want to be doing that as my end game goal. You know what I mean? I think I would rather be like, get like one good coding contract so I could chill. Even if my job, because I work for a startup right now. You know how startups are when they're in the beginning, like just now getting funded and funding and stuff. Like money's a little tight at startups. But if I had like if I had that as a full time, I probably wouldn't really even be freelancing, because I also eventually want to be able to just like chill and take some time off like a normal person, because I'm kind of working 24/7. Like there's always something to do when you're freelancing. Somebody is always waiting on you for something. So I don't know if that's really the lifestyle that I want to live like long term. You know what I mean? I got my hands in so many different pots, and like I don't like that. I really don't like that feeling of waking up every day trying to figure out who is waiting for me to do something. You know what I mean? Because it's literally always something. It's like you're chasing that carrot all the time with freelancing. But at the same time, like, I do feel blessed and lucky to be able to live this life, because I really did pray for this when I was working in an office, and when I was working a 9 to 5, and when I was truck driving. Like, I really wanted to be able to just chill on my computer and make a living that way. Especially because my girl works behind me over here in the corner. She works for Amazon. And she's kind of high up at Amazon working from her computer. And the goal when we raise our kids and they like move out and stuff, we want to be able to live wherever we want to live on the planet, and have both of us just be able to make money on our computer. Like, I've heard that there's communities of expats that live in Costa Rica, and she's from the Philippines. So it would be dope to go someplace where like the American dollar is worth more, and just all you need is the internet. She can make her Amazon bread, and I could make my freelance remote contracting bread, and we could just like travel the world and just work on our computer and just Airbnb, move to different places. Like, that's our end game goal. So this is like a step towards that goal. Right. Yeah, exactly. I feel you on that. Then make that extra to like invest and stuff like that. Full time. Yeah, that's pretty. Like I feel like it's full time, even though the only pressure is what I'm putting on myself, and it's just that's due to my personality, always trying to overperform. That's what's up. But yeah, feel that. I know doctors work crazy hours too, so yeah. Yeah, man. But there's so many different, like I was just earlier today. So I have freelance clients, right? Where I do WordPress and I do marketing. And Carlos, I'm about to check that out, by the way. So I got freelance clients. I got the startup that I work for, right? Part time. And then I have Social Supply as well, which is this company here. I run the tech side of this company, and they're low key blowing up right now with these living room events that we're throwing. This one here is almost at 50K on YouTube. And we just got monetized on YouTube. We're going to Miami next week to do one of these living room things down there. And then Cinco de Mayo, it's an event. Like every single month we have another event. And I'm like helping them stream and running the tech side. Also like analytics, growing the YouTube, working on the website. We're coming out with a magazine and like all sorts of other stuff to do with that. So this is becoming more of a time investment as well. And then I have, so that's another client. I've got 3 different freelance clients right now, and like 2 prospects that I'm working on that I might onboard soon. There's also this company called Blackson Technology that I'm on the social media team for them, and they're a non-profit, and they kind of got me on the like, come over here, join the team, and we'll get you stuff in the future. So I'm pretty soon I'm thinking about telling their president like if I can't get anything right now, I'm gonna have to fall back for a little bit, because it's just I already do this for a living. So it's either you want to be a client of mine or not. At this point, I'm kind of beyond the pro bono, although I did enter that agreement as understanding that this is a nonprofit and I'm gonna just help them out for now. And that was the original understanding, and I did some work for them already. I made some flyers for them and made some posts on their social media. But hopping on conference calls with them, and like it's becoming like a little bit extra to be to not be, because I have people who are paying me that are waiting for me to do stuff. So what do I look like doing nonprofit stuff while I'm waiting for other stuff? So there's that. And then what else? Of course, there's always plans of growing this YouTube, but then also like Social Supply is already monetized. So we're coming up with ideas and always having meetings on like, oh, are we going to do a podcast? Or should we be interviewing the DJs? Now that we can sell merch, should we be making more merch? We're doing something in the water. That's a huge festival that Pharrell throws in our hometown. So like we're working with the director of them for that. We're throwing a huge event, which is like an NPR Tiny Desk type thing. So all of these things that I'm naming is what make me pretty much work full time as a freelancer, probably with overtime as well. Like I really don't do a lot of chilling. My girl pretty much kind of gave me the green light to just go ahead, like chase your dreams for now. Like we don't have to go on dates. And by the way, we've been together since high school, so it's not like, I have to like, give her, how that stuff goes. Like at this point, we're kind of locked in. So I really don't have to do the normal stuff that people usually have to do in a relationship that takes a lot of time away from them, like chasing their dreams type shit. So yeah, there's that, but it's a struggle a little bit, but it's fun. Like I really like the lifestyle. Oh, word. Trying to do it more often, bro. I'm trying to not be so sporadic, but as of now, it pretty much is. Like, I'm on some days, I'm off. I don't really have a set schedule yet, but if you join the Discord, the link's in the description. When I do have a set schedule, like, hopefully when I get back from Miami, I'm gonna have a schedule and stick to it. But try Monday and Wednesday will be the best time though, for sure. Monday and Wednesday around like anywhere from like noon till now. I know that's a huge time window, but I'll try to fill in that whole time most of the time. Those are the days that I work primarily on my startup. So, word. But yeah, it was nice to meet you, bro, and thanks for stopping by and kicking it with me for a little bit. All right, I'm a bet. All right. I'm gonna check out Figma. Do you mind if I look at it on stream, bro, or should I put it in the other monitor? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I just requested access from one of my emails. It said I needed to request access. Okay, I'll pull it up. I'll pull it up on stream then. I got so many tabs open. Okay, here we go. Should be this one. And I'm about to switch this light. Yo, my eye is starting to twitch. There we go. Dope. Hell yeah, bro. Great work. Nice. Dude, this is awesome. And then we already have this sign, the login and the sign in, portfolio, about us, home. Build your future digital builders. Yeah, this is sick, bro. Color schemes there. Got the Discord link in there. Green light approved. That's awesome. And you cooked that up quick too. Man, that's literally, that's damn near exactly what I was thinking, bro. Taking it from this to that, that's with the dark scheme. Wait, where'd it go? I mean, look at my desktop screensaver. Like, it's already right there. I almost thought that was it for a second. Hold on. Yeah, it was this one. Yeah, this is exact, like, I have no feedback on what I would change here. Cause, yep. That's basically it. So now the next thing is just how do we translate this? Yeah, you got rid of the to-do chat. I mean, the to-do list in the chat, which is fine. Because we got the Discord. If people want to chat, they can just go to the Discord. The only thing I can think of that isn't here would be a link to the school.com. And maybe we don't even need to put that in here. You know what I mean? They'll find it anyway. Maybe if you did want to put it, though, it could go under here, under the Discord. But yeah, man. We also have a LinkedIn and an Instagram. So maybe we do put a like social media bar somewhere. Maybe in the About Us. Maybe when you click the About Us tab, like the other links could be in there. But that's not like mandatory or anything like that. I'm just thinking of something that I could possibly mention that I'm not seeing. You know what I mean? But Fortune Path, Tech, and Community, no degree, no problem. Yeah, you got this from the school. Sick, bro. I like the choice that you picked for the color of the buttons as well. And login could stay the same. I mean, everyone has a Gmail. I figured that was like, that's the best one to go with for the login was Gmail. So yeah, I'm with it, bro, 100%. And thanks. I'm gonna send that to my girl, bro, if you don't mind. Boston. My bro's going to Boston. All right. So I have been sitting here for another like hour for sure. I could feel it in my bones that it's time for me to stand up again. I'm doing a janky version of the Pomodoro technique because for one of the breaks I definitely was playing chess. So that's not technically a real break. But when I get back, I'm going to get back on editing this settings page. I made the left a little too dark. You can no longer read the text. So I'm going to tweak that when I come back and continue to working on this. How long has this stream been going? 3 hours? Man, I actually think I'm going to go ahead and end the stream. It's been 3 hours. I'm going to take a break, take a shower, maybe like play a game of League. I don't know if Ethan is still in here. If you try and play a game of League, bro, hit me up. I want to send a huge thank you to everybody who hung out with me during this. Yo, shout out to you, Carlos, bro. Let's activate on that design. I just wrote you back on Discord. But yeah, I'm Lionel the Builder. We're the digital builders. We're skipping class. Yeah, bro. Let's get it, man. We got some coding to do. I'm gonna take a break though, man. Take a shower. Maybe go outside, get some fresh air. Like it's nighttime now. I've been working since 12 o'clock. Granted, I did a lot of talking. I did a lot of texting as well, so my productivity probably wasn't like top tier. But again, I just wanted to thank you guys for being a part of the community, being a part of the channel. It's been awesome meeting all of you guys, especially because we're about to build something. We're really about to build some serious shit, man. I think that's awesome. I'm super excited for the future and what we're going on, man. That Figma design that I was just looking at, you're literally bringing one of my visions to life. And that's an amazing thing. So thank you so much for taking the time to do that. Sincerely, bro. Yeah, and I hope that I gave you, let me know if you need any more permissions to like merge that to the main on the GitHub. If y'all need me to like increase your permissions or something like that, we're in the Discord in the staff room. I know it's a little quiet in there lately, but we're about to cook, man. We're about to get it going. So I'll see y'all later on. Take a little break, and I'll be back. I'm gonna keep putting out more videos, dropping stuff for the school. So yeah, let's keep it going every single day. We're gonna keep building and keep growing and make these dreams come true together. All right. I'm out. Peace.